Roxy. This is Roxy's first spring pole session. Get it, Roxy. Get it down from that tree. Get it, Rox. Get it. That. Oh. Good girl, Rox. See, Ryan, I don't think it works.
What if that string like slips off?
Well,
Smack her in the face?
that's what. That's why they use like climbing gurneys for it. Ooh. Oh shit, Ryan.
What? I'm not doing that. Your dog is.
Get it, Roxy. Go get that. Go get it, Roxy. Go get that, Roxy. She's scared now.
Go get it, Rox.
Get it, Rox.